In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Capsule CRM. By the end, your Gmail will be securely connected so Capsule can work with your email and help you keep conversations tied to your contacts and sales work. Start by opening your Capsule CRM account in your web browser and signing in. We'll do everything from inside Capsule. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the top of the page for your account, title, or user menu. Click it to open the dropdown. This is where Capsule keeps the personal options that affect only your user, not the whole account. From that menu, choose My Preferences. Think of My Preferences as your home base for user-specific settings. If you ever need to change this connection later, this is the place you'll come back to. Inside My Preferences, find the section for Mailbox Connections. This page is dedicated to linking your email safely to Capsule. It supports common providers, including Gmail. Opening it prepares Capsule to complete a secure sign-in with Google. Now click Sign In with Google. A Google window will open. If you use more than one Google account, pick the one you want Capsule to work with your work address if you're on a company domain, or your personal one if that's what you use for business. Google will show a permissions screen. Approve the requested access so Capsule can sync the email data it needs to relate messages to your contacts and opportunities. Your password is never shared with Capsule. The connection uses Google's secure OAuth sign-in. If you have two-step verification, just follow the usual prompts. If you don't see the Google window, temporarily allow pop-ups for Capsule in your browser and try the button again. After you approve access, you'll land back on the Mailbox Connections page in Capsule. You should now see your Gmail listed as connected, typically with a status indicator confirming the link. That's your confirmation that the integration is active. If you ever need to switch to a different Google account or disconnect, you can return to this same page to manage the connection. A couple of quick tips if you run into issues. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account in your browser before clicking Sign In with Google. If your organization manages Google Workspace, you might need your admin to allow Capsule as a trusted app. And if the sign-in hangs, try again with pop-up blockers off or in a standard non-incognito window. That's all there is to it. Your Gmail is now connected to Capsule and ready to support your workflow.